Ever had that post-dinner scramble where you forget your wallet and everyone looks expectantly at you? In today's digital age, whipping out your phone and paying your share with a money transfer app is a lifesaver. But with so many options out there, which one reigns supreme? Today, we're diving into the age-old question, is Venmo the same as PayPal? The short answer? Not quite. While both are titans in the online payment world, they cater to slightly different needs. Let's dissect these financial powerhouses to see which one fits your wallet and your lifestyle better. Venmo, splitting the tab with friends. Imagine Venmo as the cool kid at the party. It's all about making peer-to-peer payments. Think splitting rent with roommates or paying back a friend for concert tickets. Smooth and, dare we say, fun. The app's interface is sleek and social, allowing you to add a quick note or emoji to your payment. Here's what makes Venmo the go-to for casual transactions. Social features. Venmo thrives on its social aspect. You can see your friends' recent transactions, think public feed, and even add comments, making splitting bills or repaying loans a breeze. Fast and easy, sending and receiving money take seconds. Link your bank account or debit card, and you're good to go. Free for most transactions, as long as you're using your bank account or debit card, there are no fees. However, Venmo has its limitations. Limited business functionality. While Venmo offers a separate business profile option, it's not as robust as dedicated business payment processors. US-only party. Forget sending money overseas. Venmo is strictly for transactions within the United States. Security concerns with public feed. That fun social feed can be a double-edged sword. Be mindful of what information you share publicly. PayPal, the all-purpose payment platform. Think of PayPal as the established professional. It's a veteran in the online payment world, offering a wider range of features beyond just splitting bills with friends. Here's why PayPal might be your perfect match. Global reach. Whether you're sending money to family abroad or paying for an Etsy purchase from across the globe, PayPal makes international transactions a breeze. Enhanced security. PayPal boasts robust buyer and seller protection features, making it a secure choice for online shopping. Business-friendly. Need to accept payments for your side hustle? PayPal seamlessly integrates with various platforms and offers tools specifically designed for businesses. But there are a few things to keep in mind with PayPal. Fees. While free for personal transfers from your bank account, using a credit card or debit card incurs a transaction fee. Slightly less user-friendly. Compared to Venmo's social interface, PayPal might seem a tad complex for casual transactions. The verdict: it depends on your needs. Ultimately, the Venmo versus PayPal debate boils down to your financial habits. For splitting bills with friends, Venmo's social features, ease of use, and free transfers from your bank account make it the clear winner. For online shopping or international transactions, PayPal's global reach, buyer/seller protection, and business-friendly features give it the edge. Think of it like this: Venmo is your casual hangout buddy, perfect for everyday transactions with friends. PayPal is your reliable colleague, there to support you with online shopping, international payments, and even your entrepreneurial endeavors. So, the next time you're deciding between Venmo and PayPal, consider what kind of transaction you need to make. With the right tool in your digital wallet, splitting the bill or making online payments will be a breeze. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.